Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, we will discuss the top 5 best tennis rackets in 2022. All the product links are given in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Best for kids, Wilson US Open 25. This racket is a perfect choice for players beginning to learn tennis. The cross-section of the racket is a 21mm C-beam. This racket offers lightweight strength. It features the revolutionary C-beam technology that gives greater control and the power of deliverance. Coming to the length of the Wilson US Open Junior tennis racket is 25 inches. The weight of the racket is 220 grams approximately, and the grip comes to 3 7/8 inch. The racket is ideal for the age group of 10 to 12 years. Best for control, Wilson Roland Garros Blade 98. This is a limited edition racket, 16x9 V7 for the red clay of Paris. It is updated with Wilson's FeelFlex and carbon mapping technologies to connect you to the ball. It provides the same complement of spin and control that's made this a bestseller for years. Carbon mapping has been used throughout this racket to provide FeelFlex for increased frame flexibility and stability in strategic areas for superior feel. Players with a two-handed backhand will love the new top grip taper for a more comfortable hand placement. The specs have changed to deliver a faster feeling racket. The V7 has a more headlight balance and the slighter thinner beam thickness to provide great feel with every shot. In your hands, this continues with Wilson's elastic paint finish that has a unique and comfortable feel to touch. Overall, it's an upgrade inside and out that connects players to the ball while providing excellent spin potential and control. Best Advanced, Babolat Pure Drive. This stick is miles away from the classic rackets of the past. Still at the same time, it's become so ubiquitous in modern tennis that it has to be considered something of a classic. This really helps you when you've got the easy putaways, time away from your opponent and making it easier to hit the clean winner. It's hard not to like this racket on serve. The easy maneuverability helps you maximize your swing speed and on contact. It's like you're unleashing a bomb. The power is there in spades. You've just got to work on controlling it and maintaining your serve percentage. The return is probably one area where you really don't need the huge power potential of the Babolat Pure Drive. Returning is generally about controlling power. While this isn't the Pure Drive's strongest characteristic, it doesn't get pushed around. Overall, this is a good update from Babolat. It's not easy to make changes to a racket that so many people love, but the new Pure Drive has improved on its weaknesses without impacting on its strengths. Best Budget, Head TI.S6. This is so ever slightly longer than most other tennis rackets on the market. It measures in at 27 3/4 inches, or 70 centimeters compared to the standard 27-inch tennis racket. Perhaps the most important feature is just how big it is. With a racket head size of 115 square inches, it's one of the biggest tennis rackets on the market, which is ideal for players picking up a racket for the first time. The larger head size also provides more power, so naturally with a head size of 115 square inches, it is a very powerful racket. Weighing in at 255 grams when strung, it is built using a weave of titanium and graphite fibers, making it a very light racket even when compared to other beginner-level rackets. It's also a head-heavy racket, which means the racket's balance is shifted towards the head of the racket. While it's one of the best tennis rackets for beginners, there is one key limitation. The huge head size and light weight means the head is a relatively powerful racket. That's great for entry-level players, but you may quickly find yourself wanting more control over the ball as you progress and become more of an intermediate player. It's really a forgiving racket that's easy to swing and offers plenty of power. It makes a great entry-level racket and is without a doubt one of the best tennis rackets for beginners. It's also an ideal fit for senior players looking for a comfortable yet powerful racket. Best overall, Wilson Clash 100 Pro V2. The most popular version is this. We recommend this racket for most intermediate level players. However, it is a great racket for beginners and even some advanced players too. It's one of the most well-rounded rackets on the market. It excels in comfort and has great specifications for most players except for total beginners and highly advanced tennis players. The 100 square inch head size makes it good for all skill levels. The 16x19 string pattern will help beginners and intermediate players learn topspin. And at only 11 ounces, it is heavy enough for a high-level intermediate tennis, but still easy to handle. Wilson put their newest 45 technology into this racket frame, creating a maximum comfort. The Clash is probably the most arm-friendly racket for players who suffer from tennis elbow. This flexibility, frame design, and string pattern help you generate good spin and control on ground strokes, volleys, and serves. Beginner, intermediate, and even advanced players will love this combination of comfort and control. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe.